Today I will be showing you how you can make school edits and as a template for this video I will be using some random football videos I found. For example, this is the video of the first goal of Cristiano Ronaldo. So yeah, just let's add this to the track. Just going to wait for a bit until it loads. Now, um, we're going to just play it so you can like see what's going on in here.
Afonso Martins. Agora Tonhito. Bem jogado. Cristiano Ronaldo. Ainda bem jogado por Cristiano Ronaldo.
Alright, now, we will want to make scroll edit. That means that we want to like make the video freeze for like a bit, add some kind of funk song to it, some edit songs to it, and add, of course, a school emoji on it. So, um, what we're going to do here is that first of all, when we are going to when we want to upload this on YouTube Shorts, we need to first change the ratio right here. Uh, so uh, if you put 16:9, that means that you want to make a normal classic YouTube video. So when you upload it on YouTube, you will have the classic YouTube video. Now, let's say that we want to make it for YouTube Shorts or for a TikTok video. So we want this to be 9:16 because that's the optimal ratio for YouTube Shorts and TikTok videos. Now, you will see that the video has been it's is smaller, so we're just going to make this a bit larger. Just so when you see those blue lines right here, when you start resizing the video, then that means that you can stop now. So like make sure that the video is like in the middle, or I don't know how to say it else. So now I really recommend that when you're editing, turn off this main track magnet because it's much harder to edit because let's say that I want to sync this video with the song that we're going to use. And now we're just going to turn this on, and when we want to move this a bit so that we can sync the audio with the funk song, we can't because will always like put it to the start. Yeah. So yeah, we will need to turn this on, and as you can see, I can now like freely just move this around. So yeah, that's it for now. Now, if you want, you don't have to do this, but I recommend this for edits that you will always turn off the sound, and you can do this easily by right-clicking this video and pressing extract audio, then click this and press the delete button on your keyboard. So now as you can see, um, we only have the video now, and now if I press play, there's completely no audio. Yeah, so yeah, there's completely no audio now. So now what we're going to do is put some kind of funk song right here. Let's see what I have here. What kind of song? Right, this is kind of good. Uh, Also, I really recommend that if you're a YouTuber that has already unlocked monetizing, that means that you can earn money, then I really do not recommend using copyrighted songs because then you will be unable to monetize the video, you will not be able to get money, hey? So it really doesn't matter to me. I use copyrighted songs very often because I still do not have monetizing unlocked, just so you guys know. So yeah, if you do not have monetizing unlocked, it doesn't matter if you put a copyrighted song, it will just warn you that you have a copyrighted song in your video, but it actually just doesn't matter at all. Yes, also, when you unlock monetizing and you have some videos that have the copyrighted songs on your channel, you will have to either delete them or put them on private because you can't have this video. I mean, you can still post videos with copyrighted songs, however, uh, you will not earn any money from it. So, um, I recommend doing that on some videos that are like low effort or something like that. So yeah, I'm not going to say something more. So now oh my god, that is very loud. Now, if the song is very loud, I can just put the volume, I think, a bit lower, please. Alright, I think this is a bit better. I'm going to just put the volume down a bit. Alright, so now we got the song right here, and if it's too loud, you can just change the volume right here. So yeah. And now what I really recommend doing is pressing this mark beats button, and you will have this like kind of shield with the text AI on it. Now you will need to press this and always press beats 1. So we're just going to press that, and as you can see, we will see these markers. Now do not hold the mouse button on them, not press and move them like this, because these are like markers, and they will like basically mark when there's a beat, like, I don't know, like the main part of the song, of the edit song, or I don't know how to say it. If you know, like, I don't know how to pronounce it. So yeah. When we got some kind of beats going on there, there's a marker. And also remember that not all of these markers are completely accurate, because even when I did some edits, the markers weren't that accurate, so I had to manually put another marker. And if you actually want to put a marker to your song, you can just put it manually here. Just put these, I don't know what that's called. Just put this line thingy to the place where you want to add the marker, and it will add right here. Yeah, I'm going to just delete this because I don't need that. So now, when we got all of these things, yeah, we want to sync the audio with the video now. So, we want to now wait when Ronaldo scores the goal. Alright, so now let's say that right when this frame comes on, we want the skull to be there. So now we're going to put a marker, as I showed you earlier on this video. Also, be careful, you have to have this video marked right here, or else the marker will go somewhere here. So yeah, we don't want that. So yeah, now we got the marker where we want to put like the main beat of the songs. Now we want to find where is like that main beat part of the song, you know. Now for this instance, for example, the AI was kind of wrong because like the marker should be here, right here. Now, oh yeah. Now, if you want to, you can also change the color so that we know that this marker is the one that we want to sync it with, synchronize it with the video. Now, we will need to move the video just right so that it syncs with the red marker. Now, I don't know how to like exactly sync it, but if you know that it's like going almost exactly down, the markers are like on top of each other, if I can say it like that, then yeah, the song and the video should be synced right, right like this, yeah. Now, you will need to cut out this part of the song, and now we will need to delete this part of the song. Now we can just like hold the mouse right here and just move that right onto the start. And now when the goal hits, we will have this. I'm just going to skip that for a bit. See, right when the ball like hits the um, I don't know what that is called, like the goal. I don't know what that is. So yeah, right when the ball hits that thingy, um, we want to freeze the video. Now we can do this very easily. We will mark this section, this video, and now we're just going to literally like freeze the video. Yeah. Now we got the video frozen. The beat of the song, like the main beat, or I don't know how to say it. Now we got the video frozen. Now if we want to make a school edit, you mostly like see the back, the video goes like black and white. So we can just do this easily by going into filters, and we will have the BW3 filter. Now we can also put B elegant black and white, but yeah, that's Pro, that's paid. I don't have CapCut Pro, so yeah. We're just going to put this right here. When the video freezes, we want that to be black and white, and as you can see, it's perfect black and white. Now this is frozen, so it is perfect, I think. So at least now you can put we can now put like the skull image. Now I use the skull emoji image. Yeah, I found this on internet. So yeah. Now we don't want this like weird background right here. So now we're just going to use the AI. We were going to use some AI thingies. So yeah, remove background, auto removal, and as you can see now, it's perfectly like clean skull image. Yeah. Now, you can put this almost anywhere you want, like into the middle, yeah, or something like that. Yeah, let's say right here. Now, as you can see, now, yeah, I think that is perfect, like literally. Now, we're just going to put this like a bit more shorter. Want this a little bit more shorter, just like this. And now, for example, we want to put another football player. I got another video of Luka Modric. Yeah, this isn't really his first goal. I only found the video of his first goal in Real Madrid, so I don't know how to spell it, bro. I'm sorry, but like, yeah, here's the video. Now we also got the audio of the original video, so now we're just going to go do the same thing, just lower that thing. So yeah, music will play, and I forgot to just resize that thing. Yeah, no. Oh, oh my God, we don't see it. Wait, I think. Yes, okay, I think this is pretty good. I think we're just going to put this a little bit. Again, this is kind of bit nicer than the other one because we can see the when he shoots the ball at the. Oh my God, I still don't know what that is. So yeah, when he shoots the ball, we want the video to stop again, but now we want to make it so that when like this another right here, right this, when was it? Right here. I think it was right here. Now we're going to put the marker again. We're just going to put red on that so that we can see it more clearly. Yeah, now that. Um, we're just going to shorten this clip for a bit. So, yeah, just like this, we want to shorten it just so we can like see the only the scene where he hits the goal. So now that it will be yeah, I think that's kind of perfect. I don't mean that it's like completely perfect, but yeah. We're just going to put another black and white. We got a really short scene because I want to make it on the beat again. Yeah, that's kind of hard. So yeah, another one, import skull right here. Yeah, make it shorter, like this. Yeah, put the skull right here. Alright, make this smaller, remove background. Yeah, just like this. Now we are just going to put the skull again in here, and now as you can see, let's just see the finished products probably. Now, we can, I think we should like shorten this thing, but you know what, let's just continue. Now, I know this isn't very good, but I think we're just going to delete this. I'm sorry, Luka Modric, but yeah. Uh, Sorry guys, I'm not like a master at editing, so yeah, this is like what I learned from myself. So yeah, we're just going to. I think we can only put one scene because I don't know how to put the others. I'm really sorry, guys. Yeah. So as you can see, it is perfectly synced. So yeah, I think that is good. Yes, see, like that, literally like straight into the fang. I don't know what that is called. Now, if we want to we don't want the video to be 2 minutes long, so we're just going to select this one, split, delete, and now we got a 16-second video. So yeah, now we just want to export. Yeah, right here. We can I can even put it in 4K resolution. So yeah, that's really good. Bitrate higher. I literally like set always the settings to like literally the highest, the best quality. So yeah, now we can just change the place where we want to put this thingy, where we want uh, the video to be saved in. So yeah, that's like it. So we're just going to hit export, and now it should export. So I think that's everything for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. So yeah, I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. So yeah, bye.